Hey guys, so today we're going to talk about how I render my artworks, how I add shadows, highlights, and how many layers I use. So I always start with the 3D shape of my artwork, and to find 3D shapes, simply just visit Pinterest and search for them. And then I reduce the opacity, and then I draw a simple sketch on top of that layer, and I reduce the opacity again. And now I start drawing my line art. So I always draw line art in separate layers, like I draw the hair in one layer, I draw the outfit in another layer, and then I add line weight to my artwork so it looks really good. You can see the line weight here. And now I'll start coloring using the bucket tool, and I just select the color and I just start coloring. It's easy. You can also use grayscale if you want. Added shadows and highlights on the face, as you can see here. And now I'm going to start coloring the hairs, and I'm going to speed this process up a little bit. So once I'm done with the hair colors, then I move on to the next step. I start coloring the outfits. I'm using the bucket tool to color everything. You can also use it. And now I'm adding some highlights to the eyes and some glow to the eyes, and I think it looks really good. Now I'm going to create a new layer on top of my hair color layer, and then I'm going to clip it. And I'm going to change the blending mode to multiply so I can add darker shadows. And I'm going to speed up again, and I'm just adding shadows on the hair here. So once I'm done with the shadows, this is how it looks. So the shadows make it look really good. So this is how I always render. So first I add colors, and then I create a new layer and turn it to multiply, and then I add darker shadows to my artwork. And I always separate layers, and then I add a new add layer, and then I add some highlights, add a new add layer to create more hair highlights, and continue doing the same with the outfit as well. So I'm going to create a new layer, and I'm going to turn that layer to multiply and add darker shadows. As you can see, I added darker shadows here, and I'm going to create a new layer called add, and then I'm going to add some highlights. Now create an add layer from canvas. So now this is the add layer from canvas. Now go to effects or filter and adjust color, and then select brightness and contrast. Now increasing and decreasing the brightness and contrast can really help make your artwork so much better. And adjust the hue, saturation, and lightness as well as you want. And saturation, as you can see, I'm adjusting the saturation here. And then lastly, go to color balance, and from here you can adjust the RGB, red, green, and blue colors. And once you're done, click on blur and click on unsharp mask, and this will make your artwork sharper. And that's it. So this is the process I always use when I'm rendering my artwork, and you can see the result here. So I hope you guys liked the video. Thank you so much for watching, and subscribe, like, and tell me what you want to see next.